About to go into one of my favorite little boutiques here in Lakewood Ranch, Wish, and I'm going to do a little shopping, getting ready for my cruise, and I'll be providing some tips what to pack on a long trip and pack light. All right, I am here inside Wish. Now I'm about to take a quick tour and find some beautiful lightweight clothing for my upcoming trip. I'm with Jan Nicholson, the owner of this beautiful Wish boutique, one of my favorites in Lakewood Ranch. Jan, take us on a tour. What would be good for me to pack? I'm going on to Europe on a cruise and then traveling around in March, and I want lightweight packable clothing.
Okay, lots of options, but I'll point out a couple of brands that work really well. Cruises, I think cruises are hard when you're packing because you always want to take a lot of options with you. You don't want it to wrinkle, so you want to be able to pull it out of a suitcase and not have to worry about getting it steamed or ironed, all of those things. Couple of brands that work really well. Clara Sunwoo is one of my favorite, made in the United States in New York. So if you follow me,
okay,
I'll point out a couple of options to you from Clara Sunwoo. The reason I say they're great for travel is because of the fabrication. They're a really, really lightweight knit. Doesn't wrinkle. You can roll them up into a ball so they take up very little space in your suitcase, which means you can get more options into your suitcase. Lots of bright colors for spring. We've got, depending on how daring you are, palazzo pants. We've got straight leg pants. We've got cropped pants. We have some really fun, flirty, flowy pants with matching tops.
I just bought that top, yeah.
Yes, here's the matching top that goes with it with a little tie. Comes in this gorgeous cobalt blue, but we also have a black option for those ladies who just like to stick with basics. Anything in Clara Sunwoo will pack well. Another line that I would say you should check out would be Veronica M, which is also another line made in the US and made in California. And they as well go for a lot of really bright colors, but a lot of fabrics that you can roll up and put into a suitcase. And
beautiful.
They work really well, so you're not gonna have any wrinkles. And most of them are things that you can also dress them up and dress them down. So put them on with a pair of shorts and then turn it into a dinner look by putting on a different pair of pants, a skirt or bottom, change up your shoes and jewelry, and you can make it work for day and for night.
Well, thank you so much for the tips.
You're welcome. Have fun.